Okay, so I need to tell you about something I've been working on because this might be the most important series I've ever created for this channel. And I don't say that lightly. If you've ever felt like you're so close to the life you want, right there, but something keeps blocking you, if you've ever done all the things, journal, visualize, tried to stay positive, and still felt like the vortex was just out of reach, this series is for you. Now, over the next 10 videos, we're going deep, like really deep, into one of the most powerful teachings that has ever shifted my life anyway. Esther Hicks, the Vortex. We're not just talking about it, we're practicing it. Step by step, video by video, each one building one that lasts. So by the time we reach video 10, you're not the same person who started at video 1. And let me discuss what we're covering. I'm going to give you a sneak peek of what's coming. In video 1, we break down what the vortex actually is. Not the complicated version, the version that finally makes sense and makes you go, oh, that's it. In video 2, we talk about your emotions because most people are fighting them. But what if your emotions are actually the door? Out in video 3, now that's where it gets real. We talk about the loop most people are stuck in, running the same thoughts, the same feelings, the same patterns on repeat without even realizing it. And video 4 is one of my favorites. We flip the script on everything you think you know about feeling good. You don't have to wait for things to get better first. I'm just letting you know. And video 5 is going to break down one thing that actually is blocking everything that you want. And spoiler, honestly, is not what you think. Video 6 introduces your future self. They're already in the vortex, already living the life that you want, and you don't chase them. You just become them. Now, video 7 is about allowing, which sounds passive, but is actually one of the most powerful skills you'll ever develop. Video 8 is the honest one. And what do you do when life gets hard? When things fall apart, when alignment feels just impossible? We handle that. On video 9 is about staying in it longer. Because getting into the vortex is one thing, but building the muscle to stay there, that's where everything changes. In video 10, the finale, the biggest shift of the entire series, I'm not going to spoil it, honestly. But I will say this. By video 10, the way you see yourself and the vortex will never be the same. And so, who is this series for? It's for you if you've heard about Abraham Hicks, but want to actually apply the teachings and not just understand them. If you're done with surface level positivity that honestly doesn't stick. And if you're ready to do the inner work, the real work that actually is going to shift your reality. Or honestly, if you just feel like something better is possible for your life and you're tired of waiting to figure out how to actually get there, that's enough. That's qualification enough, justification enough for a new life, a new you. So, my recommendation for this series is to just watch one video at a time. Don't rush. Let each one land before you move to the next. Because this isn't just content to consume, it's a practice to build. And each video is going to give you something specific to try, a thought to notice, a feeling to reach for, a question to sit with. And the more you actually do the work between videos, the more powerful the series becomes. So, here's what I want you to do right now. Subscribe if you haven't already. Turn on the notifications so you don't miss a single video. And drop a comment below and tell me what's the one thing you most want to shift in your life right now. Because this series is just for that. It's just for you. It's about getting into the vortex together, and let's stay there together. So I'll see you all in video 1, Beautifully Yours Beneath the Surface, on YouTube and Spotify.